Hello guys, welcome to this new lesson. We'll be looking at creating our first plugin. We'll see where it needs to be located, how to name it, how to add some metadata to it, and how to activate it from our WordPress install. If you look at your local WordPress installation, you'll find a folder called WP Content. Inside of that folder, let's look for the folder Plugins. That's where all the plugins are going to be located. It is good practice to create a folder for each one of our plugins, but it's not strictly necessary. Also, you need to find a unique name for your plugin. So before deciding on a name, it'd be good to take a look at existing plugins and make sure that there's no plugin with the exact same name. If you happen to write the same name as an existing plugin, WordPress is going to get confused and it's going to get them mixed up. And for instance, if there's a higher version of the other plugin, it's going to prompt you to update your plugin. So just keep that in mind. Something that can help you get rid of this issue at all is just to add a prefix to your names and your plugins, a prefix that you know that it's sort of unique so that you won't run into this issue. I've created already a folder for our first plugin. It's called Zemba Title. And I'm going to add now a new PHP file. I'm going to call this file Zemba Title. And we are going to add the plugin metadata. This information will be read by the WordPress install, and you'll see it when you go to the plugins section. So the first thing we need to add is the name of our plugin. As I mentioned before, it needs to be something unique. We need to also add a URI, which in this case is just going to be the Zemba homepage. You need to add a description for your plugin, which is what the users will see. A version, author, and author URI. And of course, you need to define the license of your plugin, which in this case is going to be open source. So what we have now, that's just it's just comments, right? But if I go now to my WordPress installation and go to WP admin login and then go to plugins in here, I'll be seeing the plugin, and in this case I already activated it, but it'll show like this as inactive. See that that's the same metadata that we entered previously, and we can activate the plugin here. It doesn't do anything yet, but it's a new plugin. It's being recognized by WordPress and it's just being activated.